Hello everyone, welcome to Finite Element Methods tutorial. I am RAKESH, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department. In this session, I am going to explain one problem on Rayleigh method. Let us see the problem. Consider the differential equation for a problem such as d square y by dx square plus 300 x square equals 0, 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1 with the boundary conditions y of 0 equal to y of 1 equals 0. The functional corresponding to this problem to be extremized is given by I equal to integration 0 to 1 minus 1 by 2 dy by dx whole square plus 300 x square by dx. Find the solution of the problem using Rayleigh method using a one-term solution as y equal to ax into 1 minus x cube. Uh, In the given problem, trial function also given, that is y equal to ax into 1 minus x cube. If the trial function is not given, you can take polynomial series, that is y equal to a naught plus a1x plus a2x square plus so on of ax cube plus a4 x power a4 x power 4 plus so on up. But in the given problem, trial function also given, that is y equal to ax into 1 minus x cube. Just you can verify the boundary conditions if the condition is satisfied or not. The given boundary conditions are x equals 0, y equals 0, x equal to 1, y equal to 0. Just observe this boundary conditions. For this situation, you can must and should take this as the trial function. Uh, if the given question y equals 0, y of 1 equal to some variable is there, that situation you can take this polynomial trial function, that is y equal to a naught plus a1x plus a2x square plus so on up. Now I am checking the uh, boundary conditions, that is x equals 0, substitute in the trial function, that is y equal to a into 0 minus a into 0 power 4, that equals 0. First boundary condition is satisfied. Now check the second boundary condition, that is x equal to 1, y equal to a into 1 minus a into 1 power 4 equals 0. The given boundary conditions are satisfied. Now see the functional equation, that is integration 0 to 1 minus 1 by 2 dy by dx whole square plus 300 x square by dx. See this term dy by dx whole square. So now uh, deriv derivative with respect to x. Let us see the trial function. Uh, this trial function derivative with respect to x, dy by dx equal to ax derivative a minus 4 ax ax power 4 derivative 4 ax cube. Now substitute this y and dy by dx in the functional equation, that is I equal to integration 0 to 1 minus 1 by 2. In the place of dy by dx, you can substitute a minus 4ax cube whole square plus 300 x square. In the place of y, you can substitute ax minus ax power 4 dx. Now simplify this term. See here, this is like a minus b whole cube. You can simplify this term, a square plus b square, that means 4ax cube whole square, that is 16a square x power 6 minus 2ab, 2 into a into 4ax cube, that is 8a square x cube plus 300 x square into ax, 300 ax cube minus 300 ax power 6 into dx. Now integrate this term. That is here minus 1 by 2 constant you can take as common. A square derivative a square x. 16 a square constant x power 6 integration x power 7 by 7. Uh, in this 8 a square constant x cube integration x power 4 by 4. Limits are 0 to 1 plus. Second one is 300a is constant x cube integration x power 4 by 4 minus 300a constant x power 6 integration x power 7 by 7. Limits are 0 to 1. Now apply the limits. Uh, Now substitute in this one a square into 1 16 by 7 a square into 1 minus 8 a square by 4, that means 4 ones are 4 twos are, that is 2 a square 1 power 4 plus 300 a by 4 into 1 power 4, that is 300 by 4a minus 300 a by 7 into 1 power 7, that is 300 by 7a. Now simplify this step. Minus 1 by 2 into a square minus a square by 2 minus minus 1 by 2 into 16 by 7 a square, that is minus 8 by 7. 2 ones are 2 eights are minus 8 by 7 a square minus 1 by 2 into minus 2 a square, that is 2 to get cancelled, plus a square 300 by 4a minus 300 by 7a. For stationary value of functional, the condition uh, dou I by dou a must be 0. So you can partial derivative of the functional value, that is dou I by dou a equals 0 minus 1 by 2 a square partial derivative 2a minus 8 by 7 a square partial derivative 2a a square 2a 300 by 4a partial derivative 300 by 4 minus 300 by 7 a partial derivative minus 300 by 7, that equals 0. Now simplify this term. 2 ones the 2 ones the minus a minus 6 8 into 2 16 by 7 a plus 2a plus 300 by 4 minus 300 by 7 equals 0. Here a is one side, constants other side. Here 7 is the LCM. Minus a plus 2a plus a, that means 7a minus 16a by 7 equal to 4 7 LCM 24. 1200 minus 2100, here minus 9a by 7 equal to minus 900 by 28. Here you can calculate a value. A equal to, here minus get cancel, a equal 900 by 28 into 7 by 9, that equal 25. Hence uh, the constant value a equal to 25. Hence write the trial solution y equal to 25x into 1 minus x cube. This is the final solution for the given problem. For that is d square y by dx square plus 300 x square equals 0. For the given boundary conditions, the trial function value is y equal to 25x into 1 minus x cube. I hope this is very clear to everyone. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.